Every gold bar begins buried in stone. Raw material enters controlled power. Chemistry frees the gold. Fire reveals purity. Machines enforce perfection. Nothing leaves unproven.
Value moves under protection.
This is how gold is made.
Every gold bar begins as buried stone.
Extraction is controlled force. Gold hides inside ordinary rock.
The journey begins immediately. Size is reduced for control. Material never stops moving. Sorting improves efficiency. Nothing is wasted. Flow is carefully controlled. Bulk movement begins. Scale demands strength. Resources travel far. Human judgment guides machines. Knowledge directs extraction. All paths converge. Industry draws materials inward. Raw ore reaches refinement. The refining process begins.
Transport links mine to refinery.
Every load is measured.
Control begins at entry.
Flow is carefully sequenced. Raw material enters processing. Material flow resumes. Protection prevents loss. Internal transport begins. Supply is buffered. Flow is controlled again.
Preparation continues.
Efficiency reduces waste.
Systems stay synchronized.
Human oversight remains essential.
Processing draws near.
Facilities prepare the next step. Size is reduced further. Refinement is underway. Refinement happens behind controlled walls. Every movement is planned.
Access is strictly controlled.
People enter with purpose.
Inside, precision replaces chance.
Scale defines the process.
Material moves continuously. Control guides refinement. The material changes form.
Solid becomes fluid.
Movement remains controlled. Separation begins here. Patience enables extraction. Verification never stops.
Processes are staged.
Precision chemistry approaches.
Confirmed. All systems nominal.
Safety precedes extraction.
Gold is about to separate. Separation begins with chemistry. Time allows gold to release. Precision controls reaction. Stages improve efficiency. Gold bonds to carbon.
Value concentrates quietly.
Gold is isolated.
Paths divide with purpose.
Concentration advances.
Purity improves. Extraction nears completion. Gold releases from its bond. Materials are reused. Gold moves forward. Electricity draws gold out.
Metal becomes visible again.
Clear on the left. Steady. Recovery is deliberate.
Gold is ready for fire. Fire prepares the final separation. Material enters controlled heat.
Chemistry supports purity.
Heat is precisely applied. Metal reveals itself.
Impurities separate naturally.
Purity increases.
Shaping approaches. Gold takes form. Cooling lock structure. Temperature is stabilized. Solid gold emerges.
Clear to lift.
Clear.
Handling demands care.
Surface clarity improves.
Uniformity is visible. Identity comes next. Precision defines value. Final transformation begins. Identity is permanently set. Form advances toward perfection. Refinement improves appearance. Invisible residue is removed.
Cleanliness completes the surface.
Weight defines value. Standards allow no error. Every detail is examined. Perfection is verified.
Confirmed. Human judgment confirms quality.
Handling reflects value.
Security increases. Movement is monitored.
Security is absolute.
Value is safeguarded.
Verification still continues.
Purity must be proven.
Science conforms gold. Automation takes control. Handling becomes exact. Dimensions are verified.
Every angle is checked.
Approval happens instantly. Accuracy is redundant. Finish is perfected.
Imperfections are rejected.
Hair reflects value. Movement stays controlled. Identity becomes permanent. Tracking becomes absolute.
Systems never sleep.
Confirmed.
Humans supervise precision. Processes converge. Order enables scale. Verification remains essential. The final checks begin. Final precision begins. Edges define craftsmanship. Clarity reveals value.
Cleanliness is absolute.
Perfection is confirmed. Every side matters. Dimensions must be exact. Value is verified again. Finish meets standard. Appearance matters.
Confirmed.
Human eyes confirm quality.
Standards allow no compromise. Order prepares value. Final proof approaches. Completeness is ensured.
Completion draws near.
Value is staged for release. Quality must be proven.
Composition is measured precisely. Purity becomes data.
Density confirms authenticity. Physics never lies.
Verification goes deeper.
Traditional methods still matter. Results reveal truth. Records ensure trust. Multiple proofs align.
Authority confirms excellence.
Certification follows proof.
Standards allow no exception.
Only verified gold moves on.
Clearance confirmed.
Security protects value.
The final stage approaches. Logistics takes over. Completion is close. Final protection begins.
Value is carefully sealed.
Protection is verified.
Security layers increase.
Identity follows every bar. Nothing leaves unchecked.
Order prepares for movement.
Stability is ensured. Logistics takes control. Value is protected. Readiness is maintained. Timing is precise. Gold prepares to leave. Transport is fortified.
Value moves outward.
Gold meets the world. From ore to purity.
And this is how modern factories produce gold from start to finish. Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.